Hi guys, so here is this delicious Maytag balls order recipe. It is so good, but make sure that you use Maytag because they are the creamiest blue cheese if you are a blue cheese connoisseur. So here is the beautiful wheel that we order, usually one large size, one wheel, and it doesn't last long because we eat it, and I make all kinds of different dishes with it. Recipe is coming up at the end, so hold that thought. Look at that creaminess. It's so good. Look at this thing. It just melts in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. It's so deep in flavor. Look at this, it crumbles. So here is what I do with this. I basically make this awesome hors d'oeuvre and I serve it to my guests and they just go crazy for it. And I had to replay this one more time. Look at how creamy this is. Yum all the way. It is so, so good. So what you do is you just take this pizza dough, and the recipe's coming up, and you fill it with a Maytag blue cheese. Don't use another blue cheese. It doesn't work as well. You deep fry it, and then, oh, my mouth is watering. And then you serve it. Look at this, nice and hot. Look at that color. It's oozing out. You can put a piece of garlic next to it for freshness. Okay, so you take the pizza dough and you basically cut it up to 2.5 by 2.5 inch sizes. You put the Maytag inside of them, you roll them up in a ball and you deep fry it. It's that simple, super easy. Serve it hot, but please don't use any other cheese. It does not work the same. It's with the Maytag blue cheese that's the best at Maytag Dairy Farms.